Hey, what's up guys, Auto Fanatics. So today's video is going to be a quick DIY maintenance tip for anyone that owns an Alfa Romeo Stelvio, no matter whether it's the Quadrifoglio or the TI Sport like we have. I'm going to show you guys real quick on how to replace the wiper blade insert on the back window. Now, the situation with this is you can see it here, it's dangling, and if you don't fix this, it probably could eventually scratch the glass and then it's going to be a total nightmare. So according to Alfa Romeo, and Jerry just had this done on his, they replaced the entire arm assembly, which I just don't think you really need to do that. It's about 60 bucks, and when I looked up online, this is out of stock on Mopar Parts Online, and also my local dealer did not have stock, so I just did a Google search. I typed in Alfa Romeo Stelvio rear wiper blade, and believe it or not, it took me to a page where this part number showed up for a Hyundai, okay? That's the part number right there. And I'm going to post it in the description below. You could also buy these on Amazon for about 10 bucks. I pay $9.85 with free shipping. And this is an identical wiper blade insert for the back of the Stelvio. So I'm going to show you right now today. I'm going to show you how to remove the arm quickly and easily and change out the insert. So if anybody's out there that's going to change your front blades and you want to take care of the rear blades, you could do this for under 10 bucks very, very easily in a matter of about 3 minutes. So I'm going to get the camera set up. I'm going to grab a 1/4 inch 10 millimeter to get the arm off, and we're going to show you guys start to finish. All right guys, so the first order of business to get the retaining nut off, you just got to take your 2 fingers and separate the little trim bezel and pull that off. Put that to the side. And it's just a 10 millimeter. We're going to put that to the side. Now this is definitely splined in there, so I usually just put my thumb and I wiggle it and lift up. You can see there's some corrosion on there. Okay, so I actually think I want to put some anti-seize compound back when I get it, back onto the car, and I'm going to show you guys that as well. So if you look here, all you got, usually on a conventional wiper blade, there's going to be a little, like a spring-loaded tab. You'll squeeze it and the blade will come out, but this is a little bit different. All you got to do is just hold it in both hands and separate it just like that. You heard that pop? So all you're going to do is pull it up, and you see the way it's keyed in there? I'm going to show you just for demonstration purpose. So you're going to take the arm, you're going to put it into position, and you're going to squeeze it, and it's going to lock itself in there, and that's how simple and easy it is to change. Here's the new blade for the Hyundai. I'm just going to pop it in, just like that, and we're done. So we have a fresh, brand new blade. Literally, it's a matter of seconds to just do this. All you need is a 10 millimeter just to get this off. I recommend doing it this way because there's just not a lot of room. Okay, you can see here without hitting the glass, and you could possibly damage the glass if you push it too hard. So I definitely recommend removing the arm off the vehicle to do the pop and the install, just like that. So we're gonna clean this up and we're gonna get this installed in a matter of minutes. All right guys, so I just have a stainless steel wire brush here, and I just wanna clean some of the corrosion off the splines, just because when I go to change it next time, I don't want this to seize up, and then if you pull too hard, you're going to shatter your back window. Okay, just like that. Just clean that up. Okay, so we're good to go. So I have a little bit of a brush here with some anti-seize paste, and we're just going to put that all around, and this is just going to prevent this wiper arm from ever seizing up to the metal spline stem. Okay, just like that. Just brush it on. Just go put a little bit. You don't go crazy. You don't want to put too much. Just like that. Now we're gonna grab the arm. We're gonna line it up. Okay, so sometimes you can see the marks from where the blades were sitting. Sure, line it up parallel. Push down on it. Now I gotta find the nut. It's in my back pocket. And with the 10 millimeter, we're just gonna snug that down. We're gonna put the trim bezel back on. And you can see it kind of has little teeth right there where it kind of pivots. Boom, we're finished. So that's it, literally a couple of minutes, and you can switch out your rear wiper blade on your Stelvio for under 10 bucks. Like I said, follow my tips. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this video will definitely help out fellow Alfa Romeo Stelvio owners. And like I said, please like, subscribe, and share, and stay tuned for more content. There's gonna be more content starting in January 2022 on the Alfa Romeos, whether it's the Stelvio and the Giulia Quadrifoglio. Thanks again, and I'll see you guys in the next video soon.